New na binigay sa amin 2,000 mileage only. Dito pa at dami yung mileage, no? Kung kami yung magdala. So as we mentioned, so far maganda naman yung performance, fuel efficient. Most of the roads here in if not all roads here in Taiwan, they're flat, no? Or paved. Okay, so what's your quick review of yung kotse, the kotse?
Kotse?
Ito, this one, performance ng car so far.
It's very nice, very smooth.
Very smooth, no? Okay.
Very
So, signing
comfortable
off.
also.
Very comfortable, no?
Can I remove my shoes?
Dalawa nagmaneho, sakay, passenger, so just enough, no? For us, pagkatapos naka hand carried luggage lang kami, no? Very. Sometimes yung mga gamit na binibili namin along the way, including yung mga damit.
Perfect excuse to shop.